And let's begin with the comments that have come in from the Supreme Court against Ranveer Allahabadiya or Beer Biceps for his comment about sex with parents on the show India's Got Latent. The Supreme Court, while providing him relief, protection from arrest, has also barred Ranveer Allahabadiya from airing any shows. The Supreme Court has said Beer Biceps and his friends, none of them can air any shows online, saying stop the show business for the time being. Let's bring in Srishti Oja, who is there during the hearing in the top court, and will get us details. Srishti, we'll talk about the comments that have come in from the Supreme Court in just a bit. But let's first highlight the top court saying no shows will be aired by Ranveer Allahabadiya by his associates. Does that include Samay Raina? Does that mean India's Got Latent for now cannot put out any more shows, any more episodes? Srishti, can you hear me?
Well, yes, Akshata, that's a very important direction which is coming from the top court. The top court has said this was in fact after the court was done dictating its order, when the court asked the counsel for Ranveer Allahabadiya, Dr. Abhinav Chandrachud, to come back before the podium, and added an extra direction saying that the protection that has been granted to Ranveer Allahabadiya today by the court will be subject to another condition where Ranveer Allahabadiya or any of his associates cannot do any other show. The court also orally told the lawyer that Ranveer Allahabadiya should stop doing any of this show business as of now. So if we try to understand the direction that has come in from the court, it seems to imply that Ranveer Allahabadiya cannot do any other show till the time being this case is going on before the top court. The top court did not specifically mention India's Got Latent or any of the other co-accused. The word used by Supreme Court was Ranveer Allahabadiya or his associates. They cannot do any other show for the time being. Now, coming back to the hearing that has happened before the Supreme Court, to even say that the court has come down heavily on Ranveer Allahabadiya would be an understatement, considering the strong remarks which have been made by Supreme Court. Saying that a pervert mind has been exhibited by Ranveer Allahabadiya. The words that were used by him, not only parents, sisters, daughters of the country, but the entire society would be ashamed of the statements. They've called it extremely condemnable behavior, saying that there was an absolute lack of responsibility on part of Ranveer Allahabadiya. However, despite coming down heavily on Ranveer throughout the hearing, we saw that at the end the top court did grant him protection, whereas coming to the directions, firstly the court has stayed his arrest in relation to the three FIRs.
Stay with me.